In this video, I'll show you how to find and remove shortcuts in Google Drive. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. A shortcut in Google Drive is not the original file or folder. It is only a link that points to the original item. Google says you can delete a shortcut without deleting the original file, but you usually cannot delete the original item unless you own it. Google also notes that if a shortcut is inside a folder owned by someone else, you may not be able to remove it yourself. First, let's talk about how to find shortcuts in Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your computer and look through your files and folders for items with the small shortcut arrow icon. That icon shows that the item is only a shortcut. Google's shortcut help page explains that Drive uses shortcuts to point to files or folders stored somewhere else, so the shortcut may appear in one location while the real file lives in another. If you already know where the shortcut is, just open that folder and locate it. But if you are not sure where it is, use the search bar in Drive and search for the file or folder name. Then look closely at the results and check which item has the shortcut icon. That is the one you can remove without affecting the original file. This is especially useful when you have several versions of what looks like the same folder in Drive. Now let's remove the shortcut on desktop. In your browser, right-click the shortcut you want to remove, then click Move to Trash. Google says this removes the shortcut, not the original file. If you want to permanently get rid of the shortcut right away, open Trash, right-click the shortcut again, and choose Delete Forever. If you are using Google Drive on Android, the steps are a little different. Open the Drive app, find the shortcut, tap the More menu, and then tap Remove. After that, go to Trash and delete it permanently if you want it gone right away. Google's Android help page gives these exact shortcut removal steps. One more thing to remember is that broken shortcuts can happen when the original file was deleted, moved to trash, or you no longer have permission to open it. If that happens, removing the shortcut is usually the easiest cleanup step. And if the delete option is missing, the shortcut may be in a location controlled by another folder owner, which can limit what you're allowed to do. So the steps are simple. Find the item with the shortcut icon, right-click it on desktop, or open the menu on mobile, remove it, and then empty trash if you want it permanently deleted. That's how to find and remove shortcuts in Google Drive. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.